Let's make it! Frozen Snowflake Crayons. Welcome back to the Let's Make It channel. Today we'll be making glittery snowflake crayons that Elsa really doesn't make. So our supplies today is some glitters, some blue glitter, some pink glitter, and some silver glitter, and Olaf and some crayons. And I forgot these silicone snowflake molds. So let's start unwrapping them. We'll put the link for the snowflake molds down below. You can use new crayons or crayons you already use that you can't use anymore. The important thing is you just have to take the paper off because you don't want papery. No, you won't be able to color. You know what? I was gonna go camping on Friday and I thought I could bring them. So I was gonna bring them and I was gonna see my friends, so we're gonna get 3 coloring books. Because they are sisters and there are 2 girls. So we're gonna get 3 fun coloring books and bring some of the crayons I made, just me. So let's keep unwrapping. Unwrappy, wrappy, 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 yappy, yappy.
I have some pink crayons, some blue crayons, and some golden crayons, and some purple crayons, and a little bit of gold crayons, another gold crayon. So let's keep unwrapping our pink crayon. We did one!
Do you know what? I'm gonna do a rainbow one. Because this is not even frozen, but we're still gonna do it. Popping this blue open, popping that blue open, dabba 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 doobity, doobity.
Swimming through the ocean. Swimming through the ocean.
We did it! Make sure you get all the paper off your crayons. Now that we unwrapped our crayons, we're just gonna break them into smaller pieces. And if they're already break up, you're ready to make it. So let's break our crayons up. Let's start breaking our crayons, bunch by bunch. Use your muscles. This is hard work. Now let's put them into our molds. This mold. Let's put some crayons in. You can do whatever color combinations you want. If the crayons are too big, you might want to break them one more time. Fill up your molds with your broken crayons. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter in our molds. Not too much because we want our crayons to show up. So I'll use some blue and the pink one. That's enough. some pink. No, not that side. That's way too big. Let's see. Some glow in the dark. Some white glow in the dark. Once you put your glitter in, you're ready to put it in the oven. Those look good and sparkly. Let's put them in the oven. Put them in the oven for 200 degrees on a tray. Keep an eye on them, they might be cool. We melted our crayons for 15 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees. And we let them cool up again and harden. They're crayon. What do you think of them? They may break because they're made out of crayons and they're crayon. This one is so cool. They might break because they're only crayons, so they might break. But you can always make more. You just have to get crayons, or if you don't have any, just get them. If you have some, just use those. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. What do you think of it? It's so pretty. And look at this side, it's so sparkly. Oh my gosh. There was some cream in that one. Get it? There was some cream in that one? Okay, there actually was. Whoa, that is so amazing. I printed out some coloring sheets, so I could color them. Let's see how they work. Wow. Look how many colors I have in one crayon, and it's sparkling. I think I'm gonna make a snowman. So I already made the big circle. Now let me make the medium circle, and then the small circle. I made a snowman. Let's make the eyes pink. You have all these colors in just one crayon. Like seriously, we have it in one crayon. Let me make the nose. Good, you can't like nose. Let me make the head. These are super fun and sparkly. Do you see these sparkles? Do you even see these sparkles in the back? Sparkly, sparkly. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to Let's Make It channel. Bye. And if you like this video, please subscribe and please subscribe. But don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Bye. I hope you liked my video. I need my friends. Bye. I love You don't want to get out of the silver. You have to get out of there. I'm doing a video. I made my silver. I'm doing my silver. silver. Put them on a tray in the oven at 50 miles degree. Put them on a tray in the oven for 2,000 degrees. Remember that 2,000 degrees. Now.